Is welcome again to my channel. My name is Cherry Mark. It's been a while since I uploaded a video. Today I'm back again and I'm sorry for being lost for this long, but well, there has been a lot of stuff going on in my life. But anyways, we are still continuing with this channel. Thank you so much for the new subscribers that have been joining this channel, and even for those who have been commenting. I appreciate so much. For my loyal subscribers, continue being together with me. Let's continue this journey, and I hope you are still enjoying. Now, today we're going to learn something different, and we're going to learn how to describe weather in Kikuyu. So keep tuned. Take your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, your glass of water, I don't know, juice, whatever. Make yourself comfortable and let's get started. Now, we're going to start with describing sunny. How do we describe the weather to be sunny? How do we call sunny? Kwena riowa. Kwena riowa. It is sunny. Kwena riowa. Riowa is the sun. Kwena riowa. It is sunny. Now, how do we describe the weather to be rainy? Rain is called bura. Bura. It is raining. Kwena bura. Kwena bura. Now, let's say, for example, you want to say it is raining heavily. Kwena bura nene. Kwena bura nene. Now, for example, let's say you want to say it is just drizzling or it's showering. Nekora shishia. Nekora shishia. Shishia is the act of drizzling or maybe light showers. Not really rain, but light showers or just some drizzles. Koshishia. Nekora shishia. Kwena buranene. It is raining heavily. Kwena bura. It is raining. Now, let's go back one step before. I talked about sunny and we said kwena riowa. For example, you want to say it is very hot. Neko hio. Neko hio. Neko hio. Hio is hot. Neko hio, the act of being hot. It is hot. Neko hio. And even you can emphasize more on that and say neko hio mono. Mono is gross or more or big. Neko hio mono. For example, you want to say it is very sunny. Kwena riowa renene. Kwena riowa renene. Renene is big. Or you can say kwena riowa nerege. Riowa nerege. Riowa, the sun. Nerege, the sun is a lot or is much or it's too much. Now, let's go ahead and talk about cloudy. How do we say cloudy? Kwena matu. Kwena matu. Kwena matu. It is cloudy. Kwena matu. Now, the next thing we're going to learn, it is windy. Kwena rohuho. Kwena rohuho. It is windy. Windy or wind is called rohuho. Kwena rohuho. For example, you want to say it is very windy. Kwena rohuho ronene. Or you can say kwena rohuho roige. It's a lot, it's much, it's big. Just describing it a lot. The next thing we're going to learn is it is foggy. It is foggy. How do we say foggy in Kikuyu? Kwena ba. Kwena ba. Ba is the fog, and that's how we call it. It is foggy. Kwena ba. For example, you want to say there is a lot of fog. Kwena ba nene. Kwena ba nene. Nene is always big. Kwena ba nene. Now, let's say for example you want to say it is cold. It is cold. Kwena heho. Kwena heho. Heho is cold, or the act of being really cold. It's not hot, it is cold. Kwena heho. Or you can say kwena heho nene. It is much colder, or the cold is too much. Kwena heho nene. Kwena heho nene. Now, let's say for example you want to say there is a drought. There is a drought. Kwena ngaragu. Kwena ngaragu. Ngaragu is the drought, and that's why we say it is kwena ngaragu. Ngaragu, it's droughty, or there is a drought. Now, for example, you want to say it is stormy, or there is lightning. Kwena heni. Kwena heni. Heni are the lightnings, or when it's really stormy and a lot of noises from the clouds. Now, let's say for example you want to say it is dry and it's hot and dry. It's hot and dry. Neko hyo. Neko hyo. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Now, between, I would love to know someone who knows how to say snow in Kikuyu. For example, if you know how we call snow in Kikuyu, I would love you to drop your comments down there and let me know, and I'll be glad to hear from you as well. With those few words, I am going to end this video right here. Once again, thank you for joining me in this channel. Thank you so much for being a loyal subscriber in this channel. We are still growing, we are still moving miles, and it is my hope that we are going to get somewhere all together. Have a nice evening wherever you are. If you have a question, you have a comment or suggestion, feel free to drop them down there. Don't forget, as usual, to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, to share it to your friends, your families, and also don't forget to comment. Thank you so much. I'm going to teach you how to say thank you in Kikuyu in this video, and this is how we say it. Thegio muno nikurora gifidi giakwa. Nitukona na muthenya ucio ge. Inyuothe mugie na hwaine mwega. Thegio muno, nitukona na hindi iyo ingi. Goodbye and good evening and ciao ciao. Bye.